How to set auto switch buttons on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on Connected Devices. After that, tap on Auto Switch Buttons. And then go down to the buttons to switch to this phone section. Then tap on the toggle button on the Galaxy Buds that you want to turn on or switch off. Here it will automatically switch your Galaxy Buds from another device to this phone when you make a call, answer a call, or play media. So effectively, you can share your Galaxy Buds with this phone and other connected devices. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.